Okay. Now this is a game number 30. Road to be done player. And I'm holding white now. I'm handling white. And then, oh, sorry, I couldn't read what you guys are typing just now. Wish you good game tonight. Thank you. Italy, thank you so much. Your review of Shinjin's game. Yeah, I did some review for Shinjin's before. Oh, you like to watch the Shinjin's game, I see. Okay, he's using this joseki, but I think I like this joseki because when he is using this joseki, he is switching to the upper side and he is giving up the right hand side. I think it's not suitable for this. And this is tricky move. If I cut here, then he doesn't consider to Atari here. He will Atari this way and straight and jump. So I just need to play here. There is any time there is cutting. So this is kind of tricky. It's not exactly tricky, but it's not better than normal joseki. Let you know, everybody. Oh, welcome from Brazil. Augusto Cesar. Welcome back to my live stream. Oh, cut there. Are you sure cut is working? Oh, I think so. Black likes to use the tricky. Okay, it's time to punish. I like to play with the player who is using trick because I can show you how to punish. In which video do you talk about your rank? What do you mean? What does that mean? Oh, you gave up here? Then I'm happy. Should I even push here one more time? Okay, push one more time. In which video do you talk about your rank? Are you talking about, you mean which video I'm explaining in my level? Or what does that mean? I don't exactly get it. Ah, I think every time I don't know, I'm explaining in my level always. Yeah. Okay, he has played at Kusumi here. You are asking me which one I'm playing with my level while talking. I'm playing with the 9-dan game as well. That is actually my level. Okay, let's get in. Let's invade here. He is holding up the big shape here. So if I get it on time, then I can reduce easily. Then it's not gonna be his territory. I'm not a professional player, but I play against professional player quite often on the internet. Can I even consider to save here? I think it's yes, it's possible. And then, oh, somehow I don't want to exchange here. Can I just fly away here? It seems cool, isn't it? Don't exchange here and waiting for him to push there. And then connect here. Then I break everything at the upper side. And then keep go out. He should be careful. Otherwise, there is extend here. Extend. Oh, he is exactly too much now. Now I think. Hello, Kami. Hello, welcome. Welcome. Yeah, top group hasn't arrived yet. Even this group might be in trouble. After I play push and cut, capturing one stone is necessary for him. He must do that. Just now his performance was a bit too much. Yeah. Capture here. Oh, even you are not afraid of the call. Then here. Yeah, because you can see that now my opponent is using tricky style. That's why if I just wait and punch, then seems it's much easier than just now. And then fly away. Then still this group is in trouble, right? And the center two stones are in trouble as well. Okay, just jump, 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 jump. One space jump is impossible to be bad. And beat this group. Still we are holding the fighting. That's why I just need to keep continue to beat his head position and surround like beautifully. Here, 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 here. Like naturally. Natural surrounding. And my net shouldn't be broken. If we are surrounded by opponent, then it's always bad. Okay, now he cannot wait anymore. He should do that. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to take the capturing race from now, isn't it? If I just connect, then I have a two decision. I can just consider the Atari and Tiger's Mouth and then waiting for capturing this group. And even I can consider to connect here and then when it's around here and taking the capturing race. If I really want to use the connecting here, then my capturing race reading should be really perfect. Otherwise, there will be risky. But if I want to use a stable way, then I can use this trading because there is no other way. I will be risky. If I can save this group, then I may have a chance to capture the center. So I need to find out which is non-risky. Oh, Victor, that's a good question. Chandler, I want to play with somebody else, but normally they don't accept my request. Just I'm applying and then I'm playing who is accepting. Yeah. I think maybe some other game there will be more than one player, but because still my account is not the professional player. Maybe somebody may not want to play. That's actually true. Okay, Tiger's Mouth. Next move is time to capture this group. Yeah, okay, I need to save this first. This is important. And I have to give up this. Yeah. Until now is my benefit. He shouldn't ignore. This capturing is so important. Connect, connect, connect. Quickly. Okay, it's time to play here. I didn't have any push and cut exchange because I was waiting for the timing here. I left the RG there, so I can use it. When I am stronger at the center, then I can use it there as a push and cut. And if he doesn't accept, I can just block from the center like now. Then here he seems it's impossible to have one more eye there. Push here. Oh, thank you very much for explaining. Yeah, okay. He really want to get one more eye there, but not easy, right? Okay, that's his last hoping. Separate. Oh, one thing I have to be careful. He may want to kill this group. Actually, that's making sense. It seems a little bit risky. Even though I just stop here and Hane and let him go back home and I can just capture 2 stone, it's good enough for me. Should I do that? Or not? But I cannot accept. I really want to capture 5 stones. And then he can consider to Hane here. That's the only the one way how he can challenge it for this game. Oh, thank you very much, Kevin. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, he must to do here, otherwise there is no hoping. But I think I can just press from throw in here and then take the capturing race. If you are doing from there, I don't think white will have any trouble. I've got 2 eyes now. Oh, thank you, Salad, please. Oh, thank you so much. Switching your account and press like. What's that? Ah, he resigned. Sorry, I don't have a second match now. Thank you for the game. Do you often count during game? Could you can say something about judging the result during game? Oh yeah, I do count normally, of course. We do count a lot. But now when I'm having streaming, of course, not yet. Not really. Because I have to keep explaining to you. Okay, let's have a simple review. Do you watch Koje? Ah, you were asking me. How should I pronounce 999? Yeah, of course I watch Koje's game sometimes. Not every time. This blank needs some yeah, wage in his life. 101 wage I have tried before, and the questions are very difficult. And sometimes even if I got the correct, then they are saying wrong because of the sequence. Yeah, that wasn't perfect for that program. Even some question there might be two ways to do that in the first move or second move, maybe second move anyway. Then the computer couldn't judge perfectly. I don't think this joseki was suitable now for black. Black is supposed to capture and this here, and this, and I don't think this position is suitable because I can just go out naturally 4 and 5, and he is getting the upper side. So maybe if I am black, I will just stop at this moment and just go to the big place. It seems much suitable. And in the actual game, then here is one of the tricky move, and everybody just when it's stretch here, then when you cut here, if you are hoping him to play here, then that's okay, but he's not gonna play like that. He will play Atari, and if you return, then of course it's terrible exchange. Now black is much stronger, and if you stretch here, black can just jump here. So how you have to handle it, so you shouldn't exchange anything. Then if he plays whatever what he wants, like this or tiger's mouth, then and then you can just answer. Then this exchange was not there, then white can consider to use this way, like what I did in the actual game. That one can be wrong joseki, or it can be tricky move as well. Yeah, it's not really good. So black plays here, then he used to keep tricky style. He was thinking for this move, but this push is gonna be mine. So when I cut here, he has to do that, and then now it's not gonna be the ladder, and I can use the snap back here. So black stones are dead. So he just return here, then become worse than the best move. white is much better. And then he was considering to make the bigger territory. And normally we have to make like this, or here we turn. But this means like, which means that when he plays here, if I answer, then this is obviously good for black. It's a really good exchange. And then I made the sente. I just accept the aji at the corner, and I decided to break the upper side. And when we were just keep playing on here, I think maybe black was supposed to make sente and then save this group. Then it's still long game, but you can see that he keep having the overplay. That's why black was broken. Yeah, and then when I jump out, black stones are really big trouble. So just softly surround by net. And then when he decided to cut from my net, but there was big trouble in this group, so I could win this game. Yeah. Okay, second game was also great.